good afternoon, good night, good evening, whatever you want to say. Hello, whatever you're watching this video, welcome. I'm Berto, for most of you know, so welcome to the Great Berto Baking Show. Today, we'll be making the finest peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And I understand that we have some peanut butter allergies, so you can definitely use some almond butter as a substitute. But for me, I personally like peanut butter. Personally, my favorite is Skippy. So we're gonna get right into it. It's a special recipe. So take care of this recipe. We have some special ingredients that I'm gonna introduce later on. So we're gonna get right to it. So the first step you wanna do is get some bread. You know, personally, I got some crunchy potato bread. I like my bread toasted a little bit. So I have a toaster oven and I've toasted it a little bit. I already went in and put the bread in there. I like to toast both sides, you know. So you want to leave it in there for about 2 minutes, both sides, just to get it a little warm. I already flipped it. I just flipped it for you to show you, but I'm about to take it out anyways. So that's what I'm gonna do. And what you want to do is turn off the toaster oven because you don't want to leave that in. You know, safety first, ladies and gentlemen. Unplug it. So we're gonna get some Skippy. I forgot that there used to be a commercial on Skippy. I don't want to say it. It's pretty funny. Go look it up. I'm not advertising Skippy. Anyways, so what I like to do is evenly spread the peanut butter on both toasts. You want to get like a light layer. Again, you want to do it on both toasts. I'm telling you, this is going to be amazing. You've never had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich like I've made it before. Promise you. Guarantee it. I'm gonna change your life. So this evenly is a thin layer of peanut butter. Again, if you want to use almond butter, you can use almond butter. Now, personally, I like strawberry. I know a lot of you out there like grape. To each his own. Strawberry is number one. We're not gonna argue about that. That's for another episode. But I like to get some strawberry jam. Get like a little spoon. Believe it or not, this is honestly all you need. Oops, I dropped some in my hand. I'm just gonna eat it. So, I use some strawberry jam on just one slice of bread and evenly spread it out. I'm just getting excited thinking about eating this. This may become your favorite snack. Now, I have two special ingredients that I'm going to add that I did not mention. The first one is another type of butter. You ready for this? We have cookie butter. Whoa. Did you hear me? Cookie butter. So, what we're going to do is, I don't like to mix the peanut butter and the cookie butter, with the same knife. So, I'm just gonna get a little napkin, You can just wipe this off. Nothing big, Save your paper towels, because crazy times again, You want to get some cookie butter. And I like to spread it on the same side as just the peanut butter. You don't want to mix it with the strawberry, not yet, So you do that. You want to get a thin layer again. Ooh. And you have, we're not done yet. We're close. We're close. Close. But we're not done yet. We got one more ingredient. Now this one is gonna, it's gonna blow your mind. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I told you I was gonna blow your mind. This is gonna be the best peanut butter and jelly sandwich that you've ever had in your life. No exaggeration. Now you don't want to get a lot of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, you know. You want to evenly spread it out over the peanut butter side and the cookie butter side. You know. This is about how much I usually have, you know, and then I, you know, evenly, you can evenly spread it out. You know. What does Dora say? Nom 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 nom, delicioso. I'm telling you. So now you want to combine the two breads, and we're not done yet. I told you we're close, 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 but we're not done yet. Let's plug this. Let's fire up this bad boy again. Let's fire up the toaster oven. You know, I like to keep my sandwich warm. You know, just a little warm. We don't want to toast it. We just want a little warm. You know, just a little warm. So we're gonna put the bread. We're gonna put the sandwich in there, and we're gonna turn the oven back on, right? And while the sandwich is in there, perfect time to clean up. So you want to put everything back where it belongs. Strawberry jam, the #1 jam, jelly. Like I said, that's another video. We're gonna put this back in the fridge. Oops, I'll clean that. Put this back in the cabinet. We're gonna put this back over here. Let's put this in here. Oh. Here. Actually, don't clean this off yet. Just wait. But you can put the spoon up. Like I said, we don't want a little oh, I ain't put this up. Or the cereal. Wow. All right. Now, got this little cereal here. Now that we're all cleaned up, let's see what the sandwich is looking like. Like I said, we just want it a little warm. Just a little warm. Like I said, we don't need to clean the peanut butter off yet, because you know why? We're going to use this to cut the sandwich. Remember, turn it off. Unplug it. Only you. Never mind. Anyways, we're going to cut the sandwich. I like to cut mines. I don't like the triangles. I don't know why. Maybe it's just how, you know, always had it like this. I never had really triangles growing up, you know. So I cut mine like this. You can cut it in triangles. Now it's cut in half. It's beautiful. And it's warm a little bit. Let's see what it tastes like. It's like a little party in my mouth. Wow. There you have it. The best peanut butter and jelly sandwich you'll ever have. It's the Burnt Toast Special. Let me know how you think, what you think. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay warm, stay healthy. And just remember, I don't know. Just remember anything. I don't know. Love you guys. I will see you at camp. Take care.